Welcome everyone to Construction Sales University. Use value engineering to put more money on your bottom line and deliver massive value to your client in 3 easy steps. So thank you again for downloading this training, and over the next hour I am literally going to show you some of the most profitable techniques and tactics that you can employ in a construction business, in fact in any business, but it is incredibly suitable for the construction industry. And the objectives of this training is to help you grow your business. That is the fundamental goal, vision and mission of Construction Sales University. We want you to grow your business in a profitable and sustainable way that delivers massive value to you as the shareholders, to all of your stakeholders, and especially your clients, because that's what we believe drives sales forward. So you're going to use value engineering to increase your rates of conversion, absolutely incredibly increase your profitability. I'm going to show you how you can genuinely and quite easily achieve increases in your net profit margin from anywhere to from 30 to 100%. So if you tendered at 6%, you can grow it to 12. If you tendered at 10, it's a stretch to get it to 20, but it can be done depending on the project. It's going to allow you to deliver massive value to your clients. Your clients are not going to worry about you making money if you follow this. And it's also using this technique of value engineering, which I think is massively misunderstood and underutilized in the construction sector. So who's this training perfect for? Well, if you own a construction company, you seriously need to take stock over what I'm going to show you in the next 45 to 1 hour. If you're a construction company manager, an MD, a CEO, a general manager, you need to watch this, because if you don't implement this, you've got to make sure your teams are implementing it. If you're a business development and sales manager, it is going to give you incredible armory in your sales process for you to develop an incredible close relationship with your prospect, where you become genuinely a trusted consultant to them. They're going to be picking up the phone to ring you to ask you about how they should execute their projects. That's how powerful this process is. Suitable for commercial directors. Anyone essentially involved in the client interface, at the tender, at the sales process, is going to benefit massively. So if you own a company, take some notes, get this out to the people in your team. They are going to really benefit from it. So what is value engineering? I mean, some of you will be aware of the phrase, some of you may not. Some of you may have looked at it in college 25 years ago and not really understood or maybe implemented it in your business to date. But essentially the official definition, it's a continuous review and refinement of the design process, specification or constructability to improve cost, competitiveness, performance, reliability, quality and safety and life cycle cost of a building. And I'm going to be showing you specific examples of how you can increase value in each of those areas over the next 50 to 60 minutes. So as I mentioned earlier, value engineering, if properly executed, can often result in savings from anywhere from 30 to 50% in the project cost. That's the overall project cost, without diluting the design or operational intent of the project. And nobody is better placed than the construction company to deliver that level of saving back to the client, which is going to unlock massive streams of value. And the great thing is, you will get to keep a large percentage of the savings achieved. This is a win-win scenario. This is where you get to use your expertise to benefit everyone involved. So why does it matter to you? Well, as I've just mentioned, you can also deliver massive additional profits to your bottom line. So in this competitive landscape that we all occupy, it is essential for your business's survival, for its growth, for its prosperity, for your prosperity, that you get the profit margins that this process can release into your business. It will allow you outbid your competitors time after time. If you embed these tactics, these processes into your company's DNA, so you, your team are absolutely, primed to find these and identify these opportunities and have the skill set to translate and project manage the design team into taking on those changes. It will allow you wipe the floor with your competitors, because quite frankly they will not be using these techniques and processes. So you can implement them at tender stage and your competitors are not going to know what's hit them. You will become your clients' contractors of choice. I'm going to show you some case studies in video 4 where we delivered massive savings to our customers, our clients, whilst at the same time significantly increasing our profitability. I have seen this process, and I mean, I'm genuine about this, put literally millions of dollars onto the bottom line of the companies that I've managed and mentored. And I'm currently, working in a massive business. I'm, executive MD for African International for hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars worth of turnover. But, they're not all mega companies. Some of the companies I work with, even within our own group, are small to medium-sized companies run by passionate people fighting to survive in competitive marketplaces. And we use the processes that I'm about to show you to achieve real market leadership in those countries. So what are the three core stages? So there are three main areas. One is blast, the second is create, and the third is refine. So blast is all about brainstorming, identifying the problem, agitating everyone and agitating your team to get ideas and get the creative juices going, to put things out on the table as to where value can be achieved and created, collect the relevant information, define the different functions. Second stage is all about creating alternatives, identifying different ways, different systems, methods and processes for building that project, getting that construction project to come together, looking at alternatives and evaluating them critically. And then stage 3 is all about refining them, gathering all of that information that's been generated throughout the process and putting it in a way that you're putting in front of the client the genuinely best alternatives, so then you can then implement those into the project. So they're the three stages. I call it blast, create and refine, and I'll be taking you step by step through those processes. So genuinely, the next 3 videos that you are about to watch are potentially some of the most profitable return on your time you will ever get. It's going to take you an hour to watch this, maybe another hour if you go back and watch it all over again, but it's going to deliver millions and millions of dollars into your business. I guarantee it. So in the next video, I'm going to be diving a little deeper into value engineering. What is it? I'm going to try and avoid theory, but I want you to have a really sound, fundamental grasp of the principles of value engineering. Look forward to seeing you there.